Welcome to Linocut Printmaking. My name is Carolyn. I have drawn my picture on a piece of lino to make into a print. Using a narrow carving tool, I am cutting away the lines of my picture. My cuts need to be deep enough that when I ink up my lino plate, that the ink won't fill these cuts. I want them to remain white when I print them. Being sure not to cut myself, I can move around the lino plate so I can get my cuts in carefully and accurately. As bits of lino get in my way, I just carefully remove them. Putting a finger on top of the carving tool helps guide my cutting. A wider carving tool allows me to quickly remove the area around my image. A brush helps me get rid of all the loose bits. Now I use scissors to cut away the lino and I'm left with my printing plate. On a piece of glass, I'm rolling out speedball ink with a small brayer. I'm going to roll the ink onto my lino block. On a small piece of paper, I press firmly and smoothly over my lino plate. Now I can see what I still need to cut away. Using soapy water, I'm going to wash away any more loose bits in the old ink. And now I'm going to re-ink my lino plate. I place my plate on a new paper. A second paper over top allows me to apply even firm pressure for a better print. And here is my first peony print. I hope this video helps you with your own printmaking.